Back to school season is here again. Some students still have a few days left and some already went back to school. But no matter which one you are, this is the perfect time to get ready. Because let us be honest, going back to school without any prep always feels messy. You cannot find your uniform, your bag is not ready, your sleep schedule is ruined, and suddenly the first few days feel stressful. So in this video, I am sharing a simple back-to-school prep routine for school-going girls and students. Nothing complicated, just real tips to help you feel more ready, more organized, and less stressed when school starts. Part 1. Reset your sleep schedule. The first thing to fix is your sleep. If you are sleeping too late during vacation, do not wait for the last night to change it. That will only make your first school morning painful. Start sleeping a little earlier each day. Even 15 to 30 minutes earlier helps. Also, try to wake up a little earlier in the morning. This makes your body adjust slowly before school actually starts. Good sleep is one of the easiest ways to make school mornings better. Part 2. Check your school things early. Do not leave everything for the last day. Start checking your school things now. Uniform, socks, shoes, bag, water bottle, lunchbox, notebook, pens, and school ID if needed. Make sure everything is clean and in one place. If something is missing, you still have time to buy or arrange it. That is much better than panicking one day before school. A small checklist can save a lot of stress. Part 3. Organize your study space. Before school starts, clean your study table or study corner. Throw away old papers you do not need. Keep your books, notebooks, pens, and highlighters in order. A clean study space makes you feel more focused and motivated. You do not need a perfect Pinterest desk. You just need a space that feels neat and usable. When your desk is organized, your mind feels more organized too. Part 4. Make your morning easy. School mornings can get crazy if you do everything at the last moment. So prepare simple things the night before. Keep your uniform ready, pack your bag, choose your hairstyle, fill your water bottle. Even deciding breakfast early can help. When you do these small things before bed, your morning becomes much calmer. That means less rushing, less forgetting, and less stress. Part 5. Make a simple hair and skincare plan. For school, you do not need a heavy routine. Just keep it simple and neat. For skincare, use basic steps like cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen if needed. For hair, choose one easy hairstyle that works for school. A braid, ponytail, or bun is enough. The goal is to look fresh, clean, and comfortable. No need to try too many new products right before school starts. This is not the time for experiments. Part 6. Prepare your mind too. Back to school prep is not only about clothes and books, it is also about your mind. If you feel lazy, anxious, or not ready, that is normal. Start by making a simple routine for your first week back. Set your alarm, plan your mornings, decide your study time, and do not overload yourself on day 1. Give yourself time to adjust. The first few days do not have to be perfect. They only need to be manageable. Part 7. Small confidence. Boost. One thing people forget is that confidence matters too. When you go back to school feeling prepared, you naturally feel better. Even small things can help. Clean nails, neat uniform, tidy bag, fresh look, good posture. These little details quietly change how you carry yourself. You do not need to become a different person for school. You just need to feel ready as yourself. So if your school is opening in a few days, start prepping now. And if your school has already started, it is still not too late to reset. Fix your sleep, organize your things, keep your routine simple, and give yourself a calm start. Back to school does not have to feel scary. With a little prep, you can walk in feeling organized, fresh, and ready. If this video helped you, then share with your friend too, and do subscribe. Comment down when is your school starting.